So first of all, what does shurut mean? Break it down for the viewers and people who are watching, Ibrahim. Shurut.
Shurut is like, you can say it's a condition. It is needed, must, for wudu. For wudu to be valid.
And if the person doesn't do it and forgets it, do they have to bring back the wudu again?
Yes.
Yeah, so it's a must. If you miss it, you're in trouble. Okay, so what are the prerequisites? And it can, just as a side benefit, the scholars, they categorize the shurut into two. Shurut al-wujub and shurut al-sihah. Have you guys heard of it?
Yes.
So shurut al-wujub is the condition for something to be obligatory on you. And then there is shurut al-sihah. Shurut al-sihah means the condition for something to be accepted from you. I'll repeat it again. The conditions are two types. The prerequisites that are required are two types. The first one is conditions that are needed for it to be obligatory on you. For example, ability for Hajj is what?
It
is a condition, right?
Yeah.
But is it a condition for the acceptance, or is it a condition for it to be obligatory on you?
For it to be obligatory.
But if I do Hajj without the ability, is it going to be accepted?
Yeah.
Because it wasn't a what?
Condition for that.
It wasn't a condition for its acceptance.
Yeah.